Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by updating Steam and confirming account basics. This avoids permission errors. Once done, verify your email and enable Steam Guard because Steam blocks some friend actions without them. Make sure your profile and friend list privacy settings are set to allow friends or everyone so requests can pass. Also check that neither account is trade/feature limited, as that restricts friend additions. Now that prerequisites are set, proceed to the client-level troubleshooting steps described next. You will now clear client-side blocks and test both friend methods to find the fault. First, clear the Steam download cache and fully restart the app, because stale data often blocks UI actions. Then try the Add a Friend link and alternatively paste the profile URL in a browser. One path can succeed when the other fails. If that still fails, disable VPN or firewall briefly, or add Steam to exceptions, because network filtering commonly prevents friend requests from reaching Steam. Finish by cross-checking across platforms. Use the Steam web client and mobile app to confirm a sent request shows up for the recipient. If nothing appears, log out, remove local files if needed, and reinstall the client. Export SteamGuard 2 FA codes before you uninstall. Once reinstalled, retry the friend request. If the problem persists, file a Steam support ticket with clear screenshots, profile URLs, and times. That gives support the context they need to resolve account-specific blocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.